Hi friends, sorry, welcome to my YouTube channel Samiola Khan 92. Today my video is about the light, this button of light. What is the function of this light button? We will discuss this light button today in LG split AC. In most of the ACs it was coming, and most of the ACs are not giving this light button. So what is the function of this light button and where it will be used and why this is important in the AC? I'll show you. This is our AC LG. You can see here this showing the temperature here. The light is on, 18 degrees Celsius set temperature, same here. So when I press this light button, you can see here is the light button. When I press this light button, the light will be closed. You can see the light is gone. Stop now. Now I'll reopen this one. Light will come back. So this is the function of this light button. When close, open it again and again. This function is used for what purpose? It's important in the AC because if you are sleeping at the night time, if this light will blink like this, it will lighten your room. But some people don't like to sleep in the light area. They want completely dark. So that's why this function is given in that AC. So it's a good function. In most of the ACs this is not coming, but in some ACs I see that function is used. This is the LG split AC, and I see this one in Westinghouse also, and some other ACs also using this function, and it's a good function. Thanks for watching my videos. Like and subscribe my channel.